Hello people, I hope you are doing fantastic, great. First of all, I would like to say thank you. Thank you is a word which is least to demonstrate in front of you. But I would like to say you thank you the way you are supporting, loving me and motivating me, and definitely I will try to bring the best content. The way I am bringing the content, I will try to polish it more and I will bring the best content for you all people, and this is my promise to you all. Let us stick to the topic. In the particular session, I will be talking about only the exercise 1.2. The people, those who have not watched the exercise 1.1, the people, those who have not watched the introduction part of a real number, I would like to request as well as recommend you kindly go and please watch the particular session, because whatever I have taught you in the exercise 1.1, it is very important, and definitely 1 to 2 problems are going to come from the particular exercise for your midterm exam. I may not say for the board exam, for the midterm exam. So let us have an analysis of the exercise 1.1. What did I teach over there? I taught about a natural number, I taught about the whole number, I taught about the integers, even and prime number, right? And odd and even number, prime number as well as composite number, and that prime number and composite number we will be talking about in this exercise 1.1. Even I taught about the irrational number, rational number. When the irrational and rational number comes together forms a real number, and from the real number I taught about the long division algorithm, even that so that a 6 cube plus 1, very important people, just do not ignore such type of questions, right? See, in the particular exercise 1.1, I will be talking about express each number, and it is a number 1 question in the NCERT book. 1.2 number 1 question, this. Express each number as a prime number as a product of its prime factor. Again I am talking about, in the last lecture I have talked about the factor. Alright, it is all about a factor. What is a factor? The number which can be divisible by a number. For example, 15 is a number. What is the factor of a 15? I can say 3 is a factor of a 15. I can say 5 is a factor of 15. Is it clear? This is all about a factor of 3 and 5 is the factor of 15. So similarly, factor and a prime. What is a prime? Prime number. What is a prime number? But prime number is a number which can be divisible by 1 as well as itself. Again, in the last part, in the last class, I have discussed. Please just do and watch the particular video, and the link has been given in the description box. Right? Next. Factor prime product. I am saying that express each number as a prime number as a product of its prime factor. That means I have to do this particular number as a prime factorization. Very easy, you know very well. 140. Let us do in a prime factorization. 270. Again let me do about a 235. Again it will go on what? 5 beta is all about a 7. This is all about a 7 and a 1. Right? The most important in the prime factorization is, see, very important, the most important in the prime factorization is what number I have got here, everything is a prime number. I repeat, what number I have got here or what number I will get here in future, this whole number will be a prime number. 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 2 is a 7 is a prime number. So 140 prime factorization is in this way: 2 times 2 times 5 times 7, which is none other than 2 to the power 4, 5 times 7. It's very easy, halwa. Let us do bit 2. 156, very easy again. 156, 2 mein jayega. Then what about 2 7s are 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. 1 8, 16 8, 78. Again 2 beta. Then after 3, 1 9, 39. Again it will go on 3. Why it is 3? Because 9 plus 3, 12. 12 can be divisible by 3. See, then after it will lose about 13, right? So I can even directly do 156 is all equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, which is all about 2 to the power 2 and 3 times 13. Is it clear? Bit 3 is our homework. 3825 is a homework. You have to do it in your home, right? We do 5005. Bit 4 I am gonna do bit 5. Bit 4 5005. How to do 5005? Very easy. 5005. Let us do the 5005. So it can be, see, it can be divisible by 2. Can it be divisible by 2? No, it cannot be divisible by 2. For which reason? Because at the end there is an odd number. If there would be having an even number, that means it could have divisible by 2. So it cannot be divisible by 2 because it is having a what beta? Not odd number. So 3 can be divisible by 3. No, it cannot divisible by 3 because you see 5 plus 5 is a 10. So number which can be divisible, the sum of the number, अगर ये 4 नंबर का अगर हम प्लस करें, अगर कुछ नंबर सम मिला, सपोज लेट अस से 1 2 3 4, I am getting something like 12. So 12, can it be divisible by 3? Yes, that's the reason it can be divisible by 3. So 3 also cannot be divisible. So 5 can be divisible, right? So what did I get? 1 0 0 1, right? Then after which number can be divisible by 1? 5 6. 7 can I get? 7 7. Yes, 7. Why? Now 7 is a prime number. See, everything what I am getting over here is a prime number. Like 7, I can get a 7, like 7 1 is 7, 10 minus 7 is a 3, 3 0 30, 7 4 are 28, 30 minus 28 is a 2, 2 21 3, right? Again, what shall I do to get it to 143? I can take it like 11 perhaps. 11 I can take it down. If I will take 11, I will get something like 11 10s are 110, 11 11s are 121, 132 as well as 143. So I will get 13 over here, right? So if I get, so what is the 5005 equals to 5 times 7 times 11 times 13. This is all about, and everything which I have got is a prime number. See, express each number as a prime number. See, what did I get? Express each number as a prime number as a product of its prime factor. So after doing a prime factorization, each and every product I will get as a prime number. I think the concept is over. Let us start with the number 2 question. See children, see everyone. Find the HCF and LCM. We have to find both HCF and LCM of the particular number. Is it clear? Of the following integer, definitely it is all about integer. Positive and negative number is integer. Verify. We have to verify. हमें साबित करना है इसका जो एलसीएम निकलेगा, इन दोनों का एचसीएफ और एलसीएम निकलेगा, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू नंबर, when we'll multiply the two number, whether it will be equal or not. So let us understand this very easy. 26, let us take 26 and 91. Let us take 26 first, right? What did I get? 26 to 13 over, right? That means 26 equals to 2 times 13. Is it clear? 91 over here is 91. That means I can directly say take it is a 9 1 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 I can take it over here, 7, right? If I take it as 7, what did I get over here? I will get it like 1, and here is 2 1 3 13, and here is also I will get what 91 equals to 7 times 13, right beta? 7 times 13, yes. 7 1 2 3 37 times 13. So see, what did I get over here? So the LCM, how to find it out the LCM? How to find it out the LCM? See, very important. I have got the product of two numbers. I have got the factor of two number. What are the factor of 26? The factor of 26 is 2 times 13. The factor of 91 is 3 times 11, right? If I will find the LCM, I have to pair it. I have to pair it. How many 13s are there? In the 26 also 13 is there. In the 91 also 13 is there. I have to pair it. Out of 2 13, I have to take 1 13. Out of 2 13, I have to take 1 13. As well as whatever the number will be there, I have to just multiply it. Simple and straight. 2 times 7. What did I get? 26 times 7. This is all about 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are 42. 2 carry 4, 14 for 18. 182 is the LCM. 182 is the LCM. What did I get the HCF? What shall I get the HCF? HCF. That means there is having only one common factor. That is all over 13. That 13 is the HCF. Right? Is it clear? Here he is saying that whatever the number, we have to verify. हमें साबित करना है. We have to verify that LCM times HCF equals to product of two numbers. Equals to product of two numbers. That means we have to prove that LCM times HCF equals to product of two number. Product of two numbers, right beta? So see, LCM. What did I get the LCM? 182. What did I get the product? HCF 13. So after doing a calculation, what shall I get? 182 times 13. See, after doing calculation, what shall I get? 182 times 13. See how I will even make you learn how to calculate in easy method. 13. Can I expand in 10 times 13? 10 plus 3, 13. The 13 number is then a 10 plus 3. If I multiply the 10 into 182, what shall I get? 1820. If I multiply the rest 3 with this, 3 2s are 6. I will write 6 over here. 3 8s are 24. 4 carry 2. 3 2 5. 5. What shall I get? 6. And over here is 4 5 6 and 8 archer bara 13. 3 carry 1 2 3 6 6. Something I will get like 2 3 6 6. And the product of two number, what will be the product of two number? 26 times 21. 26 times 91. So what is the 26 times 91? So see, I am here again, I am expanding 90 plus 1. I am doing 90 plus 1 91. So can I multiply 9 with a 6? Yes. What shall I get? 9 6 are 54. 4 carry 5. 18 5 23. So one left over here, I can put it 0. 2 3 4 0. Again one left. So I can do plus of 6 26. 1 into 26 26. So let me do a plus 6 4 5 6 3 2. See 6 6. Sorry. That means LCM and HCF of two numbers is equal to product of two number. Therefore, how to write it down? Therefore we verified that in this way you have to write form. Therefore, we verified the LCM and into HCF equals to the product of two number. So is it clear how to do this? And please, my dear children, just note it down as soon as possible. So people, we will be doing a bit 2 question like the same as a bit 1. So 510 as well as 92, we have to take it out in a prime factorization. That let us do with a 2, and we can do 2 times 2 is a 4. Then I can get over here in this way. So 5 minus 4 is a 1. So I can bring 1 over here. So 2 5s are 10. So 10, like 1, again 1. That is again it is all about a 5. Again I can do this with a what? 2 7 4 11 12. It can go by 3. Can you know how it can go by 3? Just to sum it, make addition of two number. 2 plus 5 7 plus 5 12. So if I can divide by 12, 12 can be divisible by 3. Yes. So I can do over here 7 times 3 8. Sorry, 8 3s are 24. 1 carry 5 15. This is all about a 5. Is it clear, beta? Then again I can do about a 3 for us. 3 such a bara. Archer barak tara. No, it cannot go for 3. It can go for a 5. If it can go for a 5, I can get it a 1. Again 3 5 35. It all about a 7. So 17 is all about a prime number. Remember this. 17 is a prime number. So it can remain in this way. So that is 510 equals to 2 times 3 times 5 times 17. Is it clear? Again let us do with a 92. 92 is all about a 2 4 6 again 2 23. Can we do? Can we do something like that in a 23? So 23 is a prime number. 23 is a prime number. That means 92 equals to 2 times 23. So what shall I get the LCM? So LCM. So as we know very well, LCM times HCF equals to product of two number. In this way you have to write it down in the exam. If you will not write in this way in the exam, definitely you will lose your marks. Product of two numbers, you will lose your marks, my dear children. Remember that. The LCM, what is the LCM between 510 and 192? That is, this 2 is remaining common, right? So we can take is a 2. LCM equals to C. 2. LCM of what, beta? 510 and 92. This is all about 2. 2 is a common. So pairing 2. If one pair is there, I have to take only 2. Then what more is what more left? 3 also it is there. See, 23. Sorry, you said 23. Sorry. So the what to take again? Nothing. Only we can just put it down. 2 times 3 times 5 times 17. Here is all about 2 into 23. 2 into 23. So let us understand that. Okay, is it clear? 2 3s are what? 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. 32 is 60. 60 into 17 into 23. Look how to do. 7 into 17 into 6. It is all about 1020, right? 742 1020 times 23. How to do this? 23 means 1020 into 23. Very important logic, but 1020 into 23 means I am writing here. See, 1020 into 23. That means 23 times 0 is a 0. 23 times 2 is a 46. 6 carry 4. 20 times is 23 times 0 is a 0. 4 is 4. 23 times 1 is a 23. Something like this, I will get the answer. That means 23460 is the LCM. Is it clear? Acha, what is the HCF? What is the HCF? HCF is only one common is there. That means the HCF is 2. That means the HCF is 2. Let me erase this all, otherwise you people will get confused. So what? The HCF is 2, right? So what shall I get over here if I will multiply this? If I multiply this, I will get something like that. 0 times 2 is a what? 0 times 2 is a 0. 2 times 6 is a 12. 2 carry 1. 2 times 4 is a 819. 2 into 3 is a 6. 2 into 2 is a 4. Something like that I will get. 46920. Let us understand this 46920 can be the equal of the product. Can be remain equal to 510 times 92. Yes. Again, as I said in the part 1 that we have to do. We have to take 92, so we have to expand it. 90 plus 2. Let us make this 90 plus 2. 90 this 2. So let us understand 99 times 0 is about 0. 9 times 1 is a 9. 9 times 5 is a 45. Right? So 0 was there. I have to put it a 0. 2 it left. 2. 2 times 510 is 1020. 1020. Let us add it. 0 2 9 6 4. So this and this are both equal. So I can say that therefore, just write it down in this way. Therefore the LCM and HCF therefore we verified that the LCM into HCF equals to paragraph 2 number. That is all about 56920 56920. And the bit 3 is your homework. You have to do it in your home. That's your homework. Let us skip to the number 3 question. Is it clear, everyone? Let's go. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. Very easy. We have to find the LCM. We have to find the HCF of the 3 numbers by the using prime factorization method. How to do? 12. 1 to 12. How to do in the prime factorization method? This is all about 2. This is all about 6. 3 again 2 3 done. Again with a 15, the same criteria. 3 5 5 1. All right. Okay, then after again, so 21, the marker is not working for us. Yeah, 21. Then after beta we have to do is the 7 3. Let us do with the 3 3, then 7, then 7 1. Find the LCM and HCF. So what is the LCM? So LCM I have got in the first number, that is 2 into 2 into 3 first number. We have to do second number 3 times 5. Third number 3 times 7. Is it clear? So how to do? See everyone, what is the common over here? The common is 3. And what is the HCF we can get? The HCF is, what is the common we got? Common is here is having a 3, here is having a 3, another here is having a 3. That means this is a 3, this is a 3, this is a 3. That means 3 is coming. That means the HCF is 3. That only 1 is common, then only the factor is 1. The common is only 1. Alright, this is all about. So we can directly say 3 is a HCF. What did we get the LCM? The LCM we got that. What did we get LCM? The LCM we got that. So 3 is there common. The pairing is there. We have to take only 1 3. So 2 times 2 we have to put it down. 2 times 2 we have to put it down. Again 5 is there, 7 is there. 5 is there, 7 is there. So what will be the LCM? Something like 420 may I think. Let me see. 3 into 2 6 into 2 12 into 5 60. 60 into 7, yeah, 420, I was correct. 420. Therefore the LCM of 2, therefore the LCM and HCF is 3 and the LCM is 420. Therefore is a mandatory. If your people is not writing therefore, he or she will cut or lose marks. Is it clear? Let us start with the number bit 2 question. So just note it down as soon as possible. I have erased it. Note it down as soon as possible fast. Otherwise you the people can take the screenshot also. No problem regarding it. 3. Let me make another. So take it a screenshot as soon as possible, right? Alright. So let me erase this. So let us start with the bit 2. What is there in the bit 2, and if there is having a bit 3 question, you have to do by your own. Alright, what is there in the bit 2? 17, 23, 29. I think everything is a prime number. See, 17 is a prime number, 23 is a prime number, 29 is a prime number. Therefore LCM would be 17 times 23 times 29. What will be the answer will come? That will be the LCM. What will be the HCF of that? Simply after doing, the HCF would be 1, because after everything you will get the common answer 1. The HCF would be 1. Is it clear? Is it clear? That means 2. Let us start with the number. It was a number 3 question. Let us start with the number 4 question. Chalo. This type of question generally comes in the midterm exam as well as CBSE board exam in the 2015, 16, 17 and something like that. I have forgotten bit. 2020 also, right? 2020 also. This type of question generally 2020, right? 2020 also, as much as I remember, this particular question came as a 1 mark. Remember, this particular question came as a 1 mark. So it's very important. Just try to note it down. Very easy also. Given the HCF is this much and find the LCM. You know very well the formula. What is the formula, children? Come on, speak it out. HCF times LCM equals to the product of 2 number. Product of 2 numbers, children. Look. Acha, see, what did I get here? The HCF of this and this equals to 9. That means I have got the HCF is 9. But the LCM I did not get. That's the reason it is a question mark. LCM I did not get. But something I have got. Product of the 2 number I have got. What is the product of 2 number? That is 306 beta as well as times 6, 5, 7. Something I have got in this way. That means you know very well. So LCM will remain here. The 9 will go to the RHS. Sorry. LCM. So 9 will go to the RHS. It will become something like that. 306 times 657 divided by 9. So can I cancel it? Yes, I can cancel it. This 9. So how to cancel it? This I can cancel it. I will get something like that. 3 times 9 is 27. 30 minus 27 is 3 times 6, 34. 34 times 6, 5, 7, right? So as I said again, I am teaching you again. 34 is there. Just do it is an expand form. 30 टुकड़ा करो 4. 30 का 4 का अलग ही divide करो बेटा. 30 means 3 times 500, 657. 3 times 7 is beta what? The 21. 1 carry 2. See, 3 times 5 is 15 to 17. 7 carry 1. 3 times 6 is 18. 1 19. 1971. As well as 0 is there. I will let something 0 over here, right? As well as 34 is there. What is the as well as 4 is there? What is the 4? 4 times 7 is 28. 8 beta. 4 times 7 is 28. 8 over 2 is given 2 here. 4 5s are 22. 22. 2 carry 2. 24 5 26. I can get here. That means 8 2 3 such 13 3 1 10 2 12 2 का 1. Something like that. I will get the LCM. This much big number. My goodness. Whatever. The LCM of the number is 22338. Is it clear? Very easy. Very, very easy. Just to note it down as soon as possible. Just note it down as soon as possible. And don't forget to write therefore. Is it clear? Let us start with the number 5 question. That also very easy. People, very important question. Generally, it also comes in a midterm exam. People is very, very important. Very, very important as well as interesting. It is easy to understand also. Let us try to do it. See, check whether 6 to the power n. 6 to the power n is a natural number. Can end with the digit 0. Whether here is saying that 6 to the power n can end with the digit 0. Can end with the digit 0. Right? Here is saying that. If yes, say the answer whether it is yes. If not, you just write it down in the answer. No, it is not verified, or yeah, no, it cannot be something like that, right? How to do? Here is saying that 6 to the power any natural number or any integer will become 0, whether it is true or false. Remember children, if something is there at the end of the 0, that means the particular number can be divisible by 5. I repeat, if any number is ending with a 0, that means the particular number can be divisible by 5. That means this 0 number can be divisible by 5. Is it clear? And remember one thing, let me say children, this 5 is a prime number. This 5 is a prime number. Am I right? Yes, it is a prime number. See how to do prime number. If it is a prime number, it can be a factor. If it is a prime number, it can be a factor. What is a factor? The number which can be divisible by the number. For example, 10 divided by 5 equals to 2. That means 2 is a factor. 5 is a factor. Am I right? 2 is also a factor. Is it clear? The number which can be divisible by a number is a factor. Factor you know very well. Please children, again if you have not watched part 1 lecture, just watch it. The link has been given in the description box. Factor. Acha. Now, what is the factor of 6? What is the factor of 6? 1 is a factor of 6, no problem. 2 is also a factor. 3 is also a factor. Right? So, this 2 is a factor of 6. While this is not including in the this, but this 5 is not including here. That's the reason 6 to the power n is not cannot end with the digit 0. Is it clear? Cannot end with the digit 0. Is it clear, everyone? You are not. It is not clear to you. Let us, and 1 is also a factor. Let us understand. It is not clear. Let us understand briefly. Wait. All right. See, if I find 6 to the power 1, what did I get? 6. If I do 6 to the power 2, this power 2, what shall I get? 36. If I do 6 to the power 3, something I will get 216. Remember always, whatever I will write 6 to the power, if I will write any number, 6 raised to the power any number I will write, at the end of the number will always remain 6. हमेशा 6 निकलेगा. तुम जितना भी लगा, अगर 6 to the power if I will write 10, then also I will 6 to the power 10 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At the end also I will get something number that should be ending with a 6. That's the reason how to do check whether 6 to the power n can end with a digit 0. No. 6 to the power n cannot end with the digit 0. Now you might be thinking, sir, exam में क्या ऐसे ही लिखना है? Not at all. The solution is been given here by the topper student. Just use this formula and just write it down the answer, and I promise no one can cut your marks. Again, I'm coming strong with a very important topic that is all about the 1.3 exercise. Irrational number 3 mark का questions पूछा जाता है. For more details, stay tuned. Till then, cheers. Goodbye.